Welcome back to Resilient Boss, where we help you build financial resilience and make smarter money moves. Here's today's question. Should you keep all your accounts at one bank for simplicity, or spread them out across multiple banks for flexibility? We'll explore the advantages, disadvantages, and strategies, and I'll also share which of Canada's Big 5 banks are strongest when it comes to lending and borrowing opportunities. Let's start with the case for keeping everything at one bank. Advantages: convenience, one login, one app, easy transfers between accounts. Relationship perks: the deeper your relationship, the more leverage you may have, like preferred mortgage rates or waived fees. Easier approvals: if your checking, savings, and credit history are visible in one place, banks may be more flexible with lending decisions. Bundled rewards: some banks offer packages. Disadvantages: lack of diversification. If your bank has a system outage, you lose access to everything. Weaker negotiating power and limited innovation compared to shopping around. Now let's look at the strategy of spreading your accounts across multiple banks. Advantages: rate shopping. You can choose the bank that gives you the best deal. Security and redundancy. If one bank has a tech failure, you still have access elsewhere. Specialization. Some banks are stronger in different areas. Disadvantages: more to manage. Multiple logins and statements can be confusing. Harder to negotiate perks without deep relationships. Credit spread thin across lenders. So which approach is better? If you value simplicity and loyalty perks, one bank may work best. If you value flexibility and competitive rates, multiple banks could save money. For many Canadians, the sweet spot is a hybrid strategy. Use your main bank for checking and major borrowing. Use a secondary bank for high-interest savings or specialized accounts. Now let's talk about Canada's Big 5 banks, and which ones are strongest for lending and borrowing opportunities. RBC and TD are usually strongest overall for lending. CIBC tends to be aggressive on mortgage promotions. BMO and Scotiabank stand out for specialized needs, business financing, or international ties. So should you bank with one institution or spread across multiple? One bank gives you convenience and perks. Multiple banks give you flexibility and better rates. For most people, a hybrid strategy is the most resilient choice. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Resilient Boss, and drop a comment. Do you bank with one institution or multiple? Check the description for tools and comparisons, and I'll see you in the next video.